Class 8, Subject Social Science, Geography, Chapter 2nd, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources. We have already studied about the life of people and land resources, usage of land in better manner, factors affecting land use, classification of land resources in our previous videos. Now we are going to know and learn about the soil resources. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. It helps in the growth of vegetation. Crop production depends on the quality of soil. Human beings and other animals are directly or indirectly depend on soil for their food and other necessities. Thus, soil is an important resource. Now, soil formation यानी मिट्टी का बनना. Soil formation is a long and slow process. It takes many years to make 1 centimeter thick layer of soil due to the influence of wind, water, decomposition of organic matter and human activities. Huge rocks continuously break down into smaller pieces. This process is called weathering. The weathered rock mix with organic matter to form soil. Hence, soil is a mixture of rock, minerals and organic matters. Factors of soil formation. Number 1, parent rock. Number 2, relief and nature of slope. Number 3, flora and fauna. Number 4, climate, and last one is time. Now its elaboration. Number 1, parent rock. The parent rock determines the color, composition, chemical properties, permeability, etc. of the soil. The texture of soil depends on the parent rock. Relief and nature of slope. The role of relief or nature of slope is important in the formation of soil. The nature of slope determines the accumulation of soil. In area of steep slope, the layer of soil is thin, whereas in low-lying areas, the layer of soil is thick. Flora and fauna. The rate of soil formation is higher in the areas having more plants and animals. The organic matter decay and recycle nutrients. Number 4, climate. Rain and temperature are the major determinants of soil formation. The rate of weathering of rocks increases during summer, winters and rains. The climate of a place also determines the quality of soil. And last one is time. We know that the formation of soil is a slow and continuous process. As the time passes, the thickness of the layer of soil increases. Water resources. Water is important for the survival of all forms of life. It is required for the domestic needs of human like drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, etc. and also for economic activity like industrial activity, cultivation, etc. 3/4, almost 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water. That is why it is also known as blue planet or watery planet. 97% of the water on earth is in the sea and oceans. Seawater contains salt and hence cannot be consumed directly. Thus, only 3% is fresh water, of which 2% is in the form of snow and glaciers found in polar regions and mountain peaks. Hence, only about 1% of all water on earth is available for us to use. Rainwater is the primary source of fresh water. We also get fresh water from rivers, lakes, ponds, and in the form of underground water from wells. Thank you.